NCM Learning Center. Good morning, friends. Now I am going to discuss about probability, part taken problems. The probability concept is very important topics. We may expect minimum one questions from all the examinations. So try to understand the probability concepts very clearly. Probability is defined as the ratio of total number of possible required to the total number of possible in an event. So for the event, we have to calculate the total number of possible in the event and total number of possibles required in the event. Okay, here event is part taken. First, we will discuss how to calculate the total number of possible in an event. So here three cases for the fault taken problems. The first one is simultaneously fault taken. If simultaneously two fault or three fault taken, how to calculate the total number of possible for the event. Second one is one by one ball taken. One by one ball taken without replacement. Third case, one by one ball taken, but the ball is replaced. First one, example one, a bag contains two red ball and two black balls. Two balls taken out simultaneously. What is the total number of possible in the event? We may solve these problems in two approach, conceptual approach and a formula based approach. We will discuss both. First, the conceptual approach, two red ball and two black ball. Okay, R1 R2 red balls, B1 B2 black balls. Two balls are randomly taken, simultaneously taken. So these balls may be R1 R2 or R1 B1 or R1 B2 or R2 R1 already taken. Okay, two balls are simultaneously taken. So R2 R1 already taken. R2 B1, maybe R2 B2, B1 R1 already taken, B1 R2 already taken. Okay, so B1 B2, maybe B1 B2, B2 R1 already taken, B2 R2 already taken, B2 B1 already taken. So here total possible is 6. Okay, this is a conceptual approach. In the formula based approach, here the formula is NCR. Total number of possible is equal to NCR. NCR is defined as the n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, where n is equal to total number of balls in a bag, r is equal to number of balls taken out from the bag. Example 1, n is equal to totally 4 balls, 2 red balls, 2 black balls, totally 4 balls. So n is equal to 4. 2 balls are taken out, so r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. 2 balls are taken out, so r is equal to 2. 4c2. So 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial. 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. Here 2 factorial 1 into 2. So answer, we will get answer as 6. The total number of possibles is equal to 6. The result for the concept approach and the formula approach both are same. Okay, let us discuss another one example. A bag contains 3 red ball, 4 black ball and 2 green balls. 2 balls are taken out simultaneously. What is the total number of possible in the event? Okay, by the conceptual approach is very difficult. So the easiest one is formula approach. Okay, so when you are going to write an examination, try to solve the problem using formula approach instead of the conceptual approach. Okay, the count is very less. The formula approach, the conceptual approach may be an easiest one, but for all the cases, Formula approach only easiest. Total number of possible is equal to NCR. N means total number of balls in the back. Total number of balls in the back means 3 red, 4 black, 2 green. So totally 3 plus 4 plus 2. So 9 balls. Total 9 balls. 2 balls are taken out. So 9 into C2. So 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 7 factorial. 9 minus 2, 7 factorial. So the answer is 36. Okay. Definitely the concept approach for the example 2 problems will be difficult. Very difficult. Second event. 1 by 1 ball taken without replacement. Let us take an example 1. A pack contains 2 red ball, 2 black ball. 2 balls are taken 1 by 1 without replacement. What will be the total number of possible in the event? First we will discuss the conceptual approach, then we will discuss the formula approach. Here 2 red ball R1 R2 and black ball B1 B2. Carefully listen. Ball taken is 1 by 1, not simultaneous. Okay. So first ball may be R1, second ball may be R2. If the first ball is taken out, the remaining 3 balls will be in the back. Okay. The taken ball is not replaced. Okay. So second case, the first ball may be R1, the second ball may be B1. Third, the first ball may be R1, second ball may be B2. First ball may be R2 and the second ball may be R1. If the ball is simultaneously taken, these 2 cases are same. But the ball 1 by 1 taken, this is not same, because here first ball is taken is R1, here first ball is taken is R2. If simultaneously taken means this are same. First ball may be R2, second ball may be B1. First ball may be R2, second ball may be B2. Maybe at next possibles. First ball may be B1, second ball may be R1. If simultaneously ball taken means this are same. B1 R1, R1 B1 are same, but here is not same because ball taken 1 by 1. Here first ball is R1, here first ball is B1. Okay. Second, first ball may be B1, second ball may be R2. First ball may be B1, second ball may be B2. Next possible, first ball may be B2, second ball may be R1. Here B2 R1, R1 B2, both are same for if both ball taken simultaneously. Next possibles, P2, first ball may be B2, second ball may be R2. First ball may be B2, second ball may be B1. Okay. So total number of possibles in the event is 12 by the concept approach. So formula based approach, by the formula based approach, fall is taken 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 and 1 and operation. Okay. First, in the back there is 4 ball. Out of 4 ball, 1 ball is taken. Okay. So total number of balls in the back is 4. 1 ball is taken. So 4Z1. Okay. Listen carefully. Total number of balls in the back is 4. Out of 4 ball, 1 ball is taken. Initially 1 ball is taken. So 4C1. And operation. So multiply. Remaining 3 balls in the back. Already 1 ball is taken out. Okay. So remaining 3 balls is in the back. Out of 3 ball, another 1 ball is taken out. So 3 into C1. Okay, if you understand this formula, it will be very easiest. Otherwise, very difficult to solve the problem. Okay, once again I repeat. Initially, 4 ball in the back. I am going to take 1 ball. Okay, so 4C1. Totally 4 balls. I am going to take out 1 ball. So 4C1 into already 1 ball is taken out. So there is 3 ball in the back now. Okay, now I'm going to take another ball out of 3 balls. So 3 into C1. Here AND operation, so multiply. Okay, so 4C1 means 4. You will get the answer as 4. 3C1 means you will get the answer as 3. So totally answer is 12. Both concept approach and formula approach answers are same. Okay, but the formula approach is very easiest. Next, even 3. If one by one ball taken with replacement. With replacement, what is mean by replacement? Replacement means first I am going to take a one ball. Immediately the ball is put into the bag. Let us take an example. A bag contains 2 red balls and 2 black balls. 2 balls are taken out one by one with replacement. What will be the total number of possible in the event? For concept approach, 2 red balls R1, R2 and black balls B1, B2. First I am going to take R1 ball. The ball is again put into the bag. Now there is 4 balls in the bag. Now I am going to take one ball. The ball may be a same red ball. So R1. Second ball also same red ball because the taken ball is put into the bag. So when we take once again, the same ball may be repeat. Okay. So the first ball may be R1, the second ball may be R2. First ball may be R1, the second ball may be B1. First ball may be R1, the second ball may be B2. Second and other next possibles. First ball may be R2, the first ball taken out R2. The R2 ball is put into the bag. Now I am going to take another ball. The same ball may be repeat. So the second ball may be R2. But this is not possible in the even if the ball is taken one by one without replacement. Okay, the first ball may be R2, the second ball may be R1. First ball may be R2, second ball may be B1. First ball may be R2, second ball may be B2. Possibilities. First ball may be B1, second ball may be B1. Both are same because the ball is if the taken ball is immediately put into the bag. Okay, before taking the second ball. So B1 maybe first ball B1, second ball R1, first ball B1, second ball R2, first one B1, second ball B2. Another possible, first one may be B2, second one is B2. B2, first ball B2, second ball R1, maybe first ball B2, second ball R2, first ball B2, second ball B1. So total number of possible in the event is 4, 4, 4, 4. 16 possibles in the event. This is the concept approach. For the formula approach, 1 by 1 means 1 and 1 and operation. So total number of possible. First, a bag contains 4 balls. I am going to take out 1 balls out of 4 balls. So 4C1 into, now the taken ball is put into the bag. Okay, so there is 4 ball in the bag. Now I am going to take another one ball from out of 4 balls. So into 4C1. 4C1 answer is 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. This is the formula approach. Okay, so try to understand the formula approach. It will help to solve the problems within a quick time period. Okay. Now, how to calculate the total number of possible required? 3 cases. The first case normal case, second one is AND operation case, third one is OR operation case. Let me discuss problem one by one, then only you will understand very clearly. Let's take the first case. A pack contains 3 red balls, 4 black balls and 5 green balls. 3 balls are drawn randomly. Find the probability of getting required is green balls. All are green balls. Okay, definitely if you solve the problems in the concept approach, it's very difficult. So first, the total number of green balls required is green balls. All are green balls. So total number of green ball is 5. For taken out is equal to 3. So required is equal to total number of green balls out of 3. So 5C3. Okay, this is the possible required. But total number of possible in the event is totally 3 plus 4 plus 5 balls. 12 balls available in the bag. 3 balls taken out of 12. So total number of possible in the event is 12 C3. But required is 5 green balls. So total number of green balls is 5. So 5 C3. Okay. So probability is total number of possible required by total number of possible in the event. So 5 C3 by 12 C3. Okay. Example 2 and operation case. A basket contain one blue ball, one red and 4 green balls. If 4 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that 2 are red and 2 are green? Here and case. Required is and case. 4 balls taken out, but required is 2 balls are red, 2 balls are green. So and means A and B is equal to, mathematically is represented as intersect. A intersect B. Commonly we say that common point A, common between A and B, okay, is equal to A and B. And operation is multiplication. Okay, so required is equal to 2 are red and 2 are green. 4 balls are taken out, but we need 2 are red and 2 are green. So total number of red ball is 2 balls. So 2 balls are taken from 2 red ball, and means multiplication. 2 balls are taken from 4 green ball. Okay, we need 2 red green, 2 red from 2 red ball, because totally 2 red balls are there. So 2 we take 2 red balls from 2 red balls. We take 2 balls from 2 red ball into 2 balls from 4 green balls. Okay, so mathematically with the formula approach, 2 into C2, because totally 2 balls taken for C2, 2 balls to 2 C2 into total green ball is 4, taken ball is 2, so 4 C2, 2 C2 is 1, 4 C2 is 6, so we will get answer as 6. And operation means multiplication. Okay, total possibles in the event, totally 3 plus 7 balls, totally 7 balls. Out of 7 balls, 4 balls are taken, so 7 C4, the answer is 35. So probability is 6 by 35. Required by total number of possible in the event. Okay, third case, third problem, R operation case. A bag contains 3 red ball and 4 balls. 2 balls are turned randomly. Find the probability of getting all balls are same color. All balls are same color means, what is mean by all balls of same color? All balls of same color means the 2 balls taken. The taken balls maybe 2 may be red. All are red. The same color means all are red or all are black. Okay. 2 balls are taken. The 2 balls may be, both 2 balls may be red or both 2 balls may be black. Okay. So OR operation. OR operation means ARB means mathematically represented as A union B. Okay. A union B means A plus B minus A intersect B. What is mean by A intersect B? A intersect B means common between A and B. Okay, here this is A event, this is B event. A event means all are red, B event means all are black. There is no common. Okay, A does not have black, B does not have red. So there is no common between A and B. So A and B, A intersect B is equal to 0. So A or B is equal to A plus B. Okay, so required is equal to 2 are red or 2 are green. 2 are red means 2 balls taken from red ball, totally 3 red balls. So 2 balls taken from 3 red ball plus R means plus, remaining 2 balls taken from 4 black balls. In my right formula based, 3 total number of ball 3, out of 3 2 taken, so 3 C2 plus 4 C2. So the answer is N. Total number of possible in the event is totally 7 balls in the bag. 2 balls are taken out. So total number of possible in the event is 7C2. The answer is 21. So probability is 9 by 21. Okay. There is no other case. If you know these cases, the different cases, you can solve any problems in the fault taking concepts. Okay. The fault taking concept is very, very important for all the examinations. Okay. So try to understand very clearly. Okay. Finally, I conclude that the formula based approach is very, very easiest. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share. See you next time.